It is true that when we disburse money to the counties, we disburse them as the peers rightfully read before, for example, on the disbursement of the 5 billion. It is very clear, and in fact, the categorization of what is supposed to happen to that money is given very clearly. Money that is not conditional and does not come through the ministry goes through directly from the treasury to the counties themselves, as in a health budget. On that health budget, we as a ministry do not have any accountability aspect of it, because that is a budget that has been done by county assemblies. It has been passed, it has been allocated by the treasury and directly to the county government treasuries. Now, on the ones that we ourselves disburse, then it is clear and it is conditional. It has got to be done in a certain manner, and it has got to be done in a certain way. And we share all this with the treasury, because by the end of the day, the treasury is the one that carries out the audits. And we have an audit committee within the Ministry of Health that carries out everything that we have agreed. In fact, sometimes, Mr. Chairman, you remember sometimes there are quarrels between us and the county governments when we have insisted that unless you have spent this money in a specific manner, then you cannot get further disbursements on the same.